TikTok CEO testified at the US Congress on issues related to privacy, data security, impact on our society, mental health, as well as national security, and the possible influence, involvement, and surveillance by the Chinese government. What should we know about it? Why should we even care? And how will it affect us as investors? What can we learn from it, and what can we do? Hi, I'm Dennis Wongman. If you want to invest wisely and safely and learn how to navigate through this rapidly changing world, this is the place to be. So what happened? TikTok CEO was grilled by the US Congress from both sides of the aisles on Capitol Hill for more than 5 hours. It is the most intense congressional hearing with corporate CEOs, worse than those in the past with CEOs from other social media companies, oil companies, airline, railroads, etc.
As I previously referenced, TikTok spied on American journalists. Can you say with 100% certainty that neither ByteDance nor TikTok employees can target other Americans with similar surveillance techniques?
Chair Rogers, I first of all disagree with the characterization that is spying. It was an internal
Surveillance?
investigation.
Yes or no? Can you do surveillance of other Americans?
We will protect the U.S. user data and fire it off from all unwanted foreign access. It's a commitment that we've given to the committee.
You've said repeatedly that there is no threat, that this is a platform for entertainment and for fun. Mr. Shou, I'd like to direct your attention to the screen for a short video, if you don't mind. Mr. Shou, that video was posted 41 days ago. As you can see, it is captioned me as F. At the House Energy and Commerce Committee on March 23rd of this year. This video was posted before this hearing was publicly noticed. I think that's a very interesting point to raise. But more concerning is the fact that it names this chairwoman by name. This video has been up for 41 days. It is a direct threat to the chairwoman of this committee, the people in this room, and yet it still remains on the platform. And you expect us to believe that you are capable of maintaining the data security, privacy, and security of 150 million Americans where you can't even protect the people in this room? I think that is a blatant display of how vulnerable people who use TikTok are. You couldn't take action after 41 days when a clear threat, a very violent threat to the chairwoman of this committee and the members of this committee was posted on your platform. You damn well know that you cannot protect the data and security of this committee or the 150 million users of your app because it is an extension of the CCP. And with that, I yield back.
Can I respond, Chair?
No, we're going to move on.
So why should we care? Well, one, for those who are TikTok creators, users, or parents of young users, you probably want to watch the testimony to better understand the issues that may affect you. And two, for investors, both TikTok and its parent company, ByteDance, are privately owned company. Theoretically, it should not affect investors. However, TikTok has over 150 million of active monthly users in US alone. That's almost half of the US population. And globally, it has more than 800 million of active monthly users and 2.8 trillion of viewing minutes annually, which means a lot of user engagement, advertising revenue, as well as cultural, social, and potentially political influence. If TikTok is banned, those users' viewing time as well as advertising revenue will likely go to Instagram, Facebook Reel, YouTube, and etc. And therefore, the share price of Meta, Google's, Snapchat, Pinterest, etc., they jump higher during the process of the hearing, and they will likely gain more if the ban of TikTok become a reality. And number three, as privacy, data security, social and moral responsibility as part of the issues, which is not unique to TikTok, but also the issue with all other social media platforms. So it may lead to the possible reform of Section 230, the Communication Decency Act of 1996, which defined how social media platforms be responsible and liable for publishing and distributing contents or information. This will ultimately affect not just TikTok, but all other businesses in social media, including broadcasting, online streaming, communication, news and entertainment, software application, etc., etc., and therefore impact their business growth, the top and bottom lines in the coming years. And number 4, at the center of this, the real issues are the intensified competition and conflicts between the world's superpower, the United States, and the rising power, China. It's a competition and conflicts over technologies and market dominance, over political, military, and economic dominance, over social and ideological influence. This geopolitical rhetoric and conflicts between these two superpowers have been intensified in the past few years, and looks like it's not going to get any better but worse. It will be the front and center in the next decade to come, which we really need to pay attention to very closely, not just from an investing perspective, but also to anticipate how the world will be changed and how our lives will be affected. And number 5, what's happening now is bound to have ramification on US company doing business in China. Whether TikTok is eventually banned or forced to be sold to US company, it will likely go right back to US companies who have significant business, sales, revenue, and market share in China. Companies such as Apple, Tesla, Nike, Starbucks, McDonald's, as investors, we need to look far beyond TikTok and consider the implication and possible impact on the overall market environment. So, what can we learn from this? We can certainly learn how these events may affect the stock markets and our investments. But in the process, we will also learn a lot on technology, social and geopolitical issues in the world and how it affects our lives, as this TikTok issue has far-reaching impact on many fronts. Also, we can learn how we consider regulatory and geopolitical risks in our investing analysis and decision-making, and how it affects our investment thesis. This will definitely be the use case for discussion in our 401 level value investing coaching program, through which participants will develop the essential analytical and decision-making skills in investing, which is a very valuable lifelong asset for everyone. So if you want to learn how to turn an evening news like this into opportunities of learning, you can sign up for the Value Investing Mastery and Coaching Program. You will learn how to evaluate regulatory and political risks and protect your investment, how to look far ahead and make adjustments for safer investment, how to analyze and understand what's going on around us and in the world, so to avoid being victimized in technology, social, and political change, so to protect yourself and your family. The Value Investing Mastery and Coaching Program is more than just making money. It's about learning how to build a more secure and better life. So sign up for free with the link below. If you like this video, please share with others, click like and subscribe so more people will benefit from it. Until next time, invest wisely and safely.